Welcome back, YouTube. Today I'm doing some backyard mechanicing on a 2005 Chevy AVALANChe. Changing the oil filter. I don't have a lift to put the truck on, so I'm crawling under. We're gonna start by draining the oil by removing the oil drain plug from the oil pan using a 15mm wrench. You want to make sure to place your oil drain pan right under the oil pan to make sure you catch the oil. While the oil is draining out, I'm gonna go and replace the spark plugs and the spark plug wires. So first you want to remove the spark plug wire. Then you want to remove the spark plug with a 5/8 spark plug socket, which is also a 16mm, and remove the spark plug. By checking the spark plug and looking at it, you can tell if there's any symptoms that you may have in your combustion chamber just by examining your spark plugs and matching that to, if you have a manual. In the back of the manual, you can check it against the pictures and it'll give you an idea of what problems you may have in that combustion chamber. But as you see, this spark plug is pretty dry. Not too dirty, not too bad, so it's a normal wear and tear on the spark plug. You want to gap these spark plugs at 0.44. Put it on your gapper at 0.44, and you gap it. Then you replace the spark plug back where you got it from. Once you replace the spark plug, you only want to tighten it down with about 10 pounds of pressure. Not a whole lot of pressure, just enough to make sure that's secure. Next, you want to replace the spark plug wire from the distributor core. And you just basically pull it. Here I have the new spark plug wire. And then this little metal boot that goes around it, you just simply slide that back on. As far as it'll go. Then you replace it in the reverse of how you removed it. So now the boot is back in place, the spark plug is tightened. Now you want to repeat these steps for each and every spark plug and spark plug wires. And this model has 8. So I'm finna get to doing all 8. We finished up top putting in the spark plugs and the spark plug wires. Now we want to come back to underneath. We want to screw the oil plug back into the oil pan. Then we want to remove the oil filter so we can replace it with the new one. And with the drain plug, I'm going to add a new washer. And then we're going to tighten it down. Now that the drain plug has its new washer on it and it's tightened down, we want to take the oil filter wrench to remove the oil filter. I had to use a different oil filter wrench for this oil filter because this oil filter wrench is too big to get in between the oil filter and the engine. Here is the new oil filter. You don't want to place it back up. Screw it back on. And you only need to screw it till it's hand tightened. Now once it's hand tightened, you're done. The only thing you have to do is go and replace the oil. There you have it. We've changed the spark plugs, the spark plug wires, we drained the oil, changed the oil filter, we refilled the oil, and now it's started and running smoothly. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification button for more videos